Whenever that St. Mary was there, St. Mary was there.
Oh, Miss Daddy, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey, Parry, hold. So, some months ago, we went to St. Elizabeth. On our way to St. Elizabeth, Dab stopped by his cousin in, where Claude live again, Terence, Manchester. So we got some walnuts. So those was like about probably 3-4 months ago. So we are gonna see what we can do with them. How I've never processed them. I looked online and saw that they have something by the name of a walnut cracker and something. Me never have none. Me never try to buy none. So that I gonna use him Jamaican way and see what we get from it now. Boy.
So I'm still getting come out.
So I'm gonna get a little knife now and kind of take them outside, a little knife, and we're gonna show you. Yeah, so yep. Maybe if we had a cracker it would have take it out easier, but look here, we are Jamaican, we don't work our way around it some kind of way. I don't know, maybe the walnut cracker would have get it out all I don't. But at the end of the day, whatever we get, we are going to take it. And then we are going to be, I think we need to, see one there, I think we need to kind of patch it like. So you see the amount that we got here in the box right there. So that I go try and best and see what I can do. We'll just show you our next one. So basically we are gonna continue trying, and then this look like me have to go like palm salad patch it like, yeah. So we're gonna finish. You know this is gonna take a little time. So basically I show you how we are do it, you know, without the cracker. But if you have a way where you can tell you how to do it without the walnut cracker, you can make take them and carry come and make them go to waste. They're nice, and I'll make something, and I'll show you what I'll make with it. Yeah. So okay, now Paris, this is what we got. Remember, we never have no nutcracker. So these are the shell that left back. I think that did a good work, but that bend down this so long. And so this is what we got. So it's very bland when I taste it, and you notice it take it time to oxidize. So Cobb says, I was thinking that too, we are gonna patch it, put in like kind of slight roast it off. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in a tray and put it in our oven. So you're gonna see that in the next week. But tell me, have you ever processed walnuts? We're in Jamaica. Me never see it yet before then. But you tell me what you know in the comment section about walnuts. So I'll be putting it into a tray and we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna use a little, you know, a little expertise. These are the shells. So what can we do with these shells? Can we do something? We will find out that in some other video. So you will see us in the next video. And also I promise you, when I get them and they come out, I'm gonna do something, a nice thing for you on this Jamaican Deb's tray. So okay guys, I am going to preheat my oven too. I know so them dusty enough in the night, but I say it go. Because we never have the official thing. So I'm going to scatter it out and I'm gonna put it in my oven at 350. I'm just gonna watch it, so I can't tell no time, you know. So I'll show you the result. Okay, so Parry, we put it on 350 for about 15 minutes. About 15 minutes and we got this. Now when you taste it, it has a flavor. Before then it was really bland. So Kobo said, Mommy gotta roast it. Oh, this is so nice. Look at there. Really nice. Oh, tell me what you know. This is just a little info. Tell me what you know about walnut. Have you ever processed it, or you just buy it at the shop? I didn't know it was in Jamaica, but look here, let me tell you something. Claude, Mandeville, hear me come. I'm gonna go get some. Now this is really good, so I will be using it, chopping it a little finer, and I'll be making something on the Jamaican cooking journey, and you'll be sure to see. Make sure you're subscribed. Stay subscribed. We're gonna be going different this year. I always tell you that, but you know it takes time. So thanks for watching. Remember to make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell press the option that says all, and most of all, most importantly, tell me, have you ever processed it? What you know about the processing of it. This thing is so nice. If you don't mind, me eat it up before I get to make the dish.